family came to visit, and of course, we didn't stay put. What followed was a series of trips, good food, random moments, and lots of catching up. Here's a compilation of our time with my side of the family. Hope you enjoy coming along with us.
Baby, come on, come on, come on. Nanay, go nanay, go nanay. Come on, come on, dali, 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 dali. 1, 2, 3, go. Yeah! Yan, gali, gali. Go, wash, wash. Yeah. Parang di mo binitawan na yan, anak. Oh, baby. Hello po. Where are we going, love?
Somewhere far away and then onto a boat and then to Pink Beach.
Yeah, somewhere far away. Say
I
hi.
will do this later. Wearing the snorkel.
Yeah. Saan
Can
kayo
you do that?
nag-snorkel yan?
Sa lubo.
Put this in the water.
Yeah, hi. You're so
And it's
excited.
like that to put this in water too.
Oh, wow. How about Ate Jaja? Are you excited? Opo. Yan, mga pamangkin ko. Ngayon ko lang sila makakabonding ng ganito.
Pwede nila i-send sa akin kung dala na lang tayo.
Yeah.
It's very close.
Yep.
Sarap ng init dito. Pagpagaling ng mga sakit ng init na yun. Vitamin D, ano Tina, magaling kang lalo kasi nakaka-vitamin D ka na.
We're being close now.
Really close.
We're getting closer.
Kaway-kaway. Kami. Hello. Yan. Ang mga magpipinsan. Panghilo daw. Gusto niya? Gusto niya dito. Hi, Dan. Hi, Stephen. Hello. Hello. Ayan ang aking mga kapatida ng kanyang friend na si Dan. Yay! Wow! Nice! I'm proud of you, my love. Nice.
Pero kita mo ano, malapit talaga.
Ate, kahit ate, mag-abot na kayo po dyan.
Kaya nga eh.
Saka yung kuka, eh, sinalo ka.
Pero mo, layo niya na. Oo. Boss Larry, hi. Thank you sa pagsama. Yun. Ang ganda.
Kita yung sun.
Mm.
No running ha, please.
Vlogger ba yun? Yung ba yung si Pakagago?
Ayun oh.
Hindi pa na bumabate.
Oo, go, go. Yay. Okay, go.
Ano yan sa nagpitas?
Baba mo na, Stephen, yung anak mo. Ganon.
Huling taste.
Go on the side. Oh, your turn now.